Alright, so I ran down the bottom of the trunk. Turned out okay. So here cleaned up really good. So just some pitting in here. And then I cleaned up behind in there. Pretty good. Panel. And there was pretty good. Here. And then right there is a little hole. So I don't know where that came from. That's something that has to be fixed. And there. So it turns out all the little rust spots in this original paint has rust underneath it. So I'm gonna have to come in here and really grind down in here and hopefully stop like right about in here, but we'll see how it turns out. But anyway, so it's a good hard work. And then that's it.